So I got the dash cam installed. Not only that, I got the reverse cam installed. I couldn't put it in my door down there because it's the tailgates, it just wouldn't fit down there. But I got it all together, and I routed all the wires so it's coming up there and it's not in the way, and there it is. It's great. It's just perfectly like right there, so it doesn't get in the way. And I'm just gonna spend some time this weekend and configure it a little bit more just so I can get used to how it runs. But it's pretty good right now. And if I roll up the window behind it, you can still see plenty.
The car is on. It's already connected. The plug is there. But don't turn it on. Nothing happens. $140 waste. It's not working. As the car is there and nothing happened.